Imagine a city where pine nuts are a staple, where people greet each other with oi instead of hello, and where the architectural marvel Oscar Niemeyer Museum stands tall. Welcome to Curitiba, the green capital of Brazil. Now for some oddities that will make you chuckle. Firstly, it's incredibly common for people to have barbecues in their parking lots. Secondly, there's a law that allows any citizen to plant and harvest fruits in public spaces. And thirdly, don't be surprised if you see a lot of trees on the streets. They're everywhere. Curitiba is home to approximately 2 million people who live to tell the tale of these unique, cultural, and weird facts. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from around the globe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel. Until next time, ciao.